Yo, what's up mga guys? So welcome back again to my vlog and to my YouTube channel also, and long time no vlog. Today what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to make a herbal meds. Since 1st of January, madami ng flu, or as you say, yeah, ganun. And right now medyo ko natamaan 37.6, so beyond the border. So what I'm going to do, ito the ingredients sa Bisaya kalabo ni ambot sa, I don't know sa other places. Then luya and calamansi, and of course hot water. I'm going to tell you what is the procedure of this. So first we're going to hugas. Then babalatan ang luya. So maliit lang guys, siguro half nito. There you go. Just balat-balat on it. Sudah magkasakit. Uy, animal. So yung ininit na tubig doon pa sa kwarto. So tama na to. So just slice it. Excuse me po. Slice lang ng maliit. Yan ito. Dyan. Back natin ulit. So pick the best leaves that meron kayo. Hinugasan ng mabuti. Lagay siguro 4 leaves. Yan. 4 leaves. And then I'm going to make kuha the init tubig. So lagyan natin ng calamansi juice. Meron yung option after ng calamansi, maglagay kayo ng honey or cider, apple cider vinegar. Yun, masarap yun. So let me go ahead and get that in it.
A few moments later.
Oh damn, record, I'm so sorry. So yun guys, so ipainit, palamigin nyo, pagayan ng relasyon nyo. So ito na yung finished product guys. So I'm going to drink it right now. Init paggamay siya. Shit. Grabe yung paningot din ko. So yun guys, to wrap it up again, that's my herbal meds, kalabu, then luya, then init tubig, and calamansi. That's the remedy para maglasa ng kalentura. Okay, yun guys, so goodbye for now, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamel's Vlog. Bye. Kukusong bugas, uy. Bye.